Ever wondered how you can work on your own car or truck at home? Whether it's a sleek sports car or a sturdy pickup, every vehicle needs a bit of tender, loving care. And there's a certain satisfaction that comes from rolling up your sleeves and getting your hands a bit dirty. Imagine the scenario: a sunny Saturday afternoon, the garage door wide open, and the tools spread out. There's a sense of adventure in the air as you tackle the task at hand. But where to begin? First things first, gather all the necessary tools. A good socket set, a reliable set of screwdrivers, a sturdy jack, and don't forget those all-important safety glasses and gloves. It's not just about getting the job done, it's about getting it done safely. The first task to dive into is typically the oil change. This is a straightforward but critical component of car maintenance. Start by finding the oil drain plug, then remove it, allowing the old oil to drain out. Meanwhile, don't forget about the oil filter. It's equally important. Unfasten it and replace it with a new one. Once all the oil has drained out, put back the plug and top up with new oil. A couple of handy tips to keep in mind. Dispose of the old oil in an environmentally friendly manner, and remember, most local auto parts stores will accept used oil for recycling. Next on the list is checking and replacing the air filter. This is a task that can often be overlooked, but a clean air filter can improve your vehicle's performance and fuel efficiency. Simply locate the air filter, remove the old one, and replace it with a new one. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Now let's move on to the tires. Regularly checking the tire pressure can help prevent unnecessary wear and tear. Invest in a good tire pressure gauge, and remember to check the pressure when the tires are cold. If they're underinflated, pump them up. If they're overinflated, let some air out. Another key task is checking and changing the spark plugs. This can help your engine run smoothly and efficiently. Remove the old spark plugs, check the gap on the new ones, and then install them. Be careful not to over-tighten them, as this can damage the engine. Lastly, remember to regularly check your vehicle's fluid levels. This includes the coolant, brake fluid, and windshield washer fluid. Keep them topped up, and your vehicle will thank you for it. So there you have it, a few basic maintenance tasks that can be done at home. Not only can you save time and money, but there's also the satisfaction of knowing you've done the job yourself. Plus, you're not just taking care of your vehicle, you're also learning valuable skills that can be passed on to others. Remember, safety is key. Always be aware of your surroundings, and make sure to follow all safety precautions. Stay focused, stay healthy, and most importantly, have fun. You're not just maintaining a car or truck, you're creating memories and experiences. In summary, working on your own vehicle at home involves gathering the right tools, changing the oil, checking and replacing the air filter, maintaining the correct tire pressure, changing the spark plugs, and regularly checking fluid levels. By following these steps, you can keep your vehicle in top shape, save money, and gain a sense of achievement. So why not give it a try? Roll up your sleeves, grab those tools, and get to work. Your car or truck will thank you for it.